So we'll start with a little bit artistic kind of question, and it will be very interesting to hear this answer from you, coming from, because you have worked so much on television, you have worked on professional stages and theaters, you have worked in more commercial areas, and from the side of artist, from the side of choreographer, from the side of teacher, so many like diverse points of view, let's say. And the question is very simple, and it has been answered in so many ways already. I at least know, like, said to me at least 3 answers easily. But it will be interesting to hear from you. What do you think, very much generic kind of answer, is the purpose of art?
Really? Okay, then I'll be really honest. First of all, for art, there is no purpose. You can make the art for a purpose, but art itself doesn't mean that it is for a purpose. Do you understand? Like, it's like anything else that you can make anything into a purpose or use it to your purpose. Why I'm saying this thing? Like creativity and art can come out of you without any purpose, right?
Yeah.
But still it is art.
As a part of expression, no?
Exactly, yeah. So not to, because we are artistic, and example, we are doing a lot of deep things, sometimes very artistic thing. Even when I make my shows, some shows are very commercial, but some are very artistic and deep and intellectual. But that doesn't mean that it should not get confused in between what is what. And that's why exactly why art can be also commercial, right?
Yeah.
But our commercialism or making it commercial can also be a purpose. Makes sense? Not only the giving, so understand this, that means not only giving the good messages is only the purpose. When you're asking this question, most probably it's coming from that side.
No, as I was saying, I have a list. Like, one is, there's this famous answer, which is like, art is about 3 things: entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. I've heard this one. I have heard about, for example, contemporary art, how it should be saying about the problems of the society, about, for example, during world wars, people were talking about, obviously, those things. So there are at least few points of view in that way. So that's why I'm not actually coming from one-sided. I'm just curious to hear what you have to say about it.
That's for example, when you said that, art is purpose is entertainment. That's wrong. The purpose is not entertainment. It's how you can make your purpose come true. You can serve the purpose. Because if your art is not entertaining enough, it will not stay to the people. And it's not only valid in today's YouTube and this social media life. Yeah, because you see, most of these religious books, the big things that you're on the culture and all this thing is all storytelling. They're very easy storytelling, very easy one that you can actually hold on, and it's for everyone, and that's why it sustains for hundreds of years. So if you will see, most of our culture, if we are more influenced by our culture and upbringing and so on, so then actually that has been more because of the storytelling for hundreds of years. And that means that has been more by the influence of art. More even than politics and war, because that's happening in between, with changing the big course of humanity. But continuously, what is influencing how we are acting and even on what basis sometime we are doing the war is also example culture or differences or our beliefs. And many of those beliefs has also been sustained through art, and you connect through it. So, and that's why if you want to make your art successful, it has to have this entertainment. Also, this is used in Bollywood a lot, this theory. However, that means now you're using the art in a purpose, right? But art itself is not like having a purpose. It can come out of you because you don't have any message. You're just born and you're just, for years you're drawing and you're making creative things, you're making things, and you don't have exactly a purpose. You just want to make, you just want to, that itself, doing the activity itself is your main goal in that time. Make sense? Even sometimes you might be failing and all, but you enjoy dancing, you enjoy drawing, you enjoy doing that thing, you enjoy even working out and all. So that means this is, but working out, even see, some things even goes out of the art also, which is not, and you can also mix art in many things, even in business also. Getting it? That's why how there is art of doing business also, art of doing anything. That means what is this art we are talking about? Art is not only the artistic thing, art of doing something. Some process, some discipline, some more effective way, some more creative way, something. That means this word art is not only what we perceive it, only think in the points of creativity and all those things. We're not even thinking art as the point of activity. It's an active thing. It's like doing something. So it's also a process. It's not itself end product itself. It can be also a way of discipline, way of life through it, and just expression. Now you step it up, or even will not say that a step up, because you can be just singing for yourself for your whole life, or you're using the singing to influence people, to give good messages and so on. You're giving it a purpose, or you want to sell things. You're making it commercial so that people watches it, buys products and so on, right? So you're using it for a purpose. So now you know what is art. What is the more importantly, how art is way more bigger than just relating it to creative things. That's why art of living, art of doing, art of communication, art of anything. When you think from that point of view, you start seeing art in a way more wider perspective, and how much we are actually more influenced by art than even politics and wars.
Yeah.
Even those are mostly based by the storytellings of the beliefs that we have sustained till this time because of art, because of that entertainment factor, that ease of use. That's the power of art.
It's like mic drop now.
So that means from nothing to it can be so influensive.
Yeah.
And from how much restricted we think about this art and how expanded it is. Even right now, how you're talking, or even if this is how these videos are made, on the is art of editing, art of communication, art of talking, art of so many things. That's all.
Wow.